Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, May 6th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. First of all, in math and science, there is no homework. In social studies, we need to study our Europe map for our quiz this upcoming Friday, and the project that is up in the air depending on where you and your group stand. And language arts, we've got our 6 traits of writing form that is online. Make sure you take time to watch the video and go through and answer the questions. If you need to, go ahead and rewatch a video multiple times. In literature, you had a journal that we got done in school today, it's not homework. We had more than half an hour in class to get that done. The only thing that we need to be focusing on here the rest of this week and into next week is all of our error points are due by May 17th. We've been talking about this for the better part of almost 2 months now, so please make sure that you do not fall behind the 8 ball and you do not slack off in that regard. This is it for this Monday. Make it a great one.